Hello, in this video we will demonstrate how to set up a service for EPG injection in CLEVER PSI generator. CLEVER PSI generator creates a real-time transport stream, containing metadata like PSI tables, EPG and SSU data carousels. We have another video demonstrating the CLEVER user interface. There is a link to that video in the description below. This picture shows how the event injection works. You can set up one or more services for event injection remotely. After that, you can drop XML files into service folders. The event data will automatically be injected in the CLEVER engine. In redundant configuration, the data needs to be sent to both systems. Let's see how it works. In this configuration, we have the engine running on the same system. You see the subsystems running in the taskbar. They can also be started as a service. In the user interface preferences, the engine mode is selected and can be connected via localhost. Now we will have a look at our network configuration. I have predefined a network containing a transport stream that is playing out an IP stream. I have selected a couple of PSI tables that I want to be included in the outgoing transport stream. Be sure that EIT scheduled is checked in order to see the EPG schedule. If we select the first service, you can see that the checkbox EPG injection is checked. It is important to indicate which service has event injection enabled and which not. Select Generate, Update CLEVER Engine in order to send the new setup to the CLEVER engine. In the Smart Transport Stream Analyzer, you can see the output of the CLEVER Transport Stream Generator. You can see all selected PSI tables appear, as well as an empty EPG schedule. Now, let's create the service event injection. Via the Programs menu, select CLEVER PSI Injector. The user interface is showing all the service injections that are defined. Start adding a service by pressing the Add button. In the service settings, you can enter a user-friendly service name. This name is only meant for showing in this UI, and will not appear in the outgoing transport stream. Define the location where the XML files are dropped. The IP address and port of the PSI injector subsystem needs to be entered. In this configuration, that is localhost and default port 8020. If the XML files already contain the correct original network ID, transport stream ID, and service ID values, you can skip the remap. You have to define the incoming EPG specification, for example BarcoNet EPG. If you use older events that are coming in, you can set the start time starting from today. And for demo purpose, we have an option to randomly generate some event information with random duration and textual descriptions. Press Start All Services in order to start processing. We will create the specified service folder, where the XML files will appear. Now, let's drop a BarcoNet EPG XML file into the configured location and see what happens. The service injector will notice the new file, process it, and send that to the PSI injector subsystem. The file is marked as processed and moved to the Done folder. Let's open Smart again, and see the results of our action. As you can see in the analyzer, the EPG is filled, both for EIT schedule as well as EIT present following. The EPG can be filled with event schedule, up to 64 days ahead. Thanks for watching. Visit duels.com for more information.